Good evening, students. This is Dr. Hill Krishnan. I am your instructor for this summer course on Introduction to International Relations. So, Introduction to International Relations, let's break it down. What is the final grade? I'll tell you now. You all have a final grade of A. That's right. You already have it. All you need to do is to maintain the final grade. How do you do that? You just need to do three things. And that is, first one, online participation. You would read the material mandatory for this class and you will do the participation online. That's one. And that is 30% of your grade. And another 30% of your grade is your final book report. That's at the end of the semester. You have a whole 5 weeks to read a book and write 15 questions and answers to submit it to me online for grading. So what is this book? It'll be a fun book. I will give you 30 different books and you will get to choose a book, one book of your choice, of your interest area, and read it. It's usually New York Times bestsellers and national bestsellers books. So these are read by most of the people who are avid readers, and you will have fun reading it and writing the question and answers. Good. So that's 30%. What's the remaining 40%? That's your final exam. And that's a take-home exam. Based on what you read, you will have certain allotted time. You will do the final take-home exam and you submit it online. So that's 30, 30, 40, that's 100%. If you do that very well, you already retain your A grade. I hope all of you do. Now, let's talk about the course. What does the course have? Before we go into the course, there's one textbook for this course. One textbook, you see the syllabus and you will know what and how to buy it. Your choice, wherever you want to buy it, however you want to buy it, in the used book or new book, or e-book, it's all your option. As long as you do the reading and do the participation. And there is 4 e-books, small, thin e-books, which is like 20 pages to 40 pages to increase the understanding of the issues we will be discussing. And these are very inexpensive, $3, $4 books. And once you buy them, it's available in Amazon ebook. Even if you don't have a Kindle, that's fine. You could download it in your computer and read it. Okay. Once you have this material, then we go into the course. The first module 1 of the course will be discussing the theories of international relations. Theories starting from the predominant theory of international relations, realism. And then we will be discussing liberalism, Marxism, and constructivism. So now you might ask, what are these theories? The theories are actually based on scholars' understanding of the world, how it functions, how international relations work, and you will learn those ideas. Why do we need to learn these ideas? What scholars have created, these theories? Theories are like the prisms. You wear a blue glass and you look at the world, everything looks blue. You wear a red glass and you look at the world, it looks red, right? So it is through these ideas of theories, you look at the world and interpret it on how the scholars want you to interpret it. Sounds good? Okay. Once we finish these theories, module 1 is over. We move on to module 2. And there we will be discussing about issues of international relations. Issues starting from war, which is a very prime issue in international relations. You will learn how to see the war. It's a totally differently based on scholars like Clausewitz, who's a German scholar and a warrior, and modern scholars like Just War Theory, written by Walzer. These will give you understanding of seeing war. Very fascinating ideas. And once you learn that, we will move on to other issues very different from war, like globalization. It's international political economy issue, right? And once you learn that, we will move into nuclear weapons, nuclear proliferation, non-proliferation, disarmament, all those issues, and including nuclear terrorism. So we'll be learning about terrorism, different aspects of nuclear terrorism, etc. We'll be also learning about environment and biodiversity, which is a very vital issue. 2010 United Nations announced it as the year of biodiversity. It's a vital issue, a global issue, and climate change and others. We'll be learning about that. And after that, we'll be moving on to learn about regional focuses. Regional focuses include Middle East and Israel, Russia and China, All these ones are pivotal issues, including North Korea. We'll be learning about it. We'll also be learning international law, human rights, and also other issues, which will be throughout the semester of 5 weeks. We'll be having fun and learning. I'm looking forward to learning this course along with you and going into new areas and discussing ideas with you online. Thank you very much.